In this LegalZoom review, I'm going to help you figure out whether this online business formation service is a good fit for you if you're starting an LLC or any other type of business. I'm really going to put them through the test and rate them based on 3 very important key factors: value for money, ease of use, and customer service and user feedback. I will then discuss the pros and cons of LegalZoom and give you my honest recommendation. And as a bonus, later in the video, I'll be providing you with an opportunity to grab my free business startup success checklist. Part of this complete guide will reveal my trustworthy registered agent who will help set up your LLC for absolutely free and save you time and money. So make sure to stick with me until the end. LegalZoom was established in 1999 and is one of the pioneers in online business and corporation services. They've managed to serve over 2 million businesses and are recognized as a comprehensive legal service provider. With more than 20 years of experience, they've managed to remain one of the top companies in the industry. So let's kick it off with value for money. LegalZoom is a company that provides various legal services to individuals and businesses. One of the best features of LegalZoom is that they offer their services on an a la carte basis, which means that customers can select the specific services that they need and pay for them separately. You can click on the special link in the description box below to access this discounted offer. If you're looking for comprehensive legal assistance, LegalZoom's LLC formation packages are an ideal choice. With these packages, you'll gain access to a wide range of legal services, including document preparation, filing, and ongoing support throughout the life of your LLC. LegalZoom offers 3 main packages: Economy, Standard, and Express Gold. You can click on the link in the description box below to find out more. The Economy package has the most affordable price at $149, plus state filing fees, which range from $50 to $520 depending on the state that you'll be doing business in. However, it does not include the essential services such as a registered agent, EIN, or operating agreement. Adding a registered agent service alone can cost anywhere from $150 to $300 per year, and there are many other additional services that may be needed for an extra cost. Going for this basic package also means that it will take at least 30 days for your documents to be ready. For faster processing, the standard package is priced at $329 plus state filing fees and takes 10 business days to complete. It includes everything from the basic package as well as the Deluxe Founders Kit, a personalized binder for organizing documents, an embosser, and 20 member certificates. For an even faster registration in just 2 to 5 business days, the Express Gold package is priced at $349 plus the state filing fees. It's literally just a $20 increment from the standard package, which is well worth it. So, does LegalZoom give you great value for your money? In my opinion, LegalZoom does not provide the best value for your money. Additional charges for services like operating agreements and EINs, which are included in the basic packages from other providers, can be disappointing. Even the registered agent service, which can be obtained for free from other providers, is considered as an add-on service here. So I would only give LegalZoom a 2 out of 5 for value for money. However, I will present more budget-friendly options later in the video. Next up, let's talk about the ease of use of their platform. While compliance with legal documents is crucial, another critical factor for any business owner to consider when choosing a business formation service is the convenience that it offers. In this aspect, I would give LegalZoom the highest rating. The website is user-friendly and easy to navigate, making it simple to find what you need. Its website is designed to be intuitive and easy to navigate, providing customers with step-by-step guidance throughout the process to ensure that you're on the right track. I personally experienced the service and found it very efficient, taking less than 10 minutes to complete. While some businesses may have more complex needs, LegalZoom's service is user-friendly and simple to navigate. They offer the option to save your progress and continue later if you need to take a break. It also takes care of the documentation preparation and filing process, saving customers the time and hassle. All customers need to do is to provide the necessary information, and LegalZoom takes care of the rest. Starting an LLC with LegalZoom is a pretty straightforward process. So here's a general outline of all the steps involved. First, choose the LLC package that suits your needs and budget. Second is to provide information about your business. Third is that LegalZoom will prepare the necessary documents to form your LLC. Number 4 is to obtain the necessary permits and licenses. And finally, number 5, after your LLC is formed, you will need to comply with ongoing legal and regulatory requirements to help you stay up to date with these requirements. Starting an LLC with LegalZoom is a convenient and efficient way to form a business. The only downside, however, is that they don't have a dedicated customer dashboard to easily organize your files and information, and for that reason, I would rate them a 4 out of 5 for ease of use. Do you like the level of detail that I'm providing you with my LegalZoom review so far? If yes, then let me know by liking my video and hitting that subscribe button for more high-quality content that I'll be releasing weekly. It's important to have a company expert hold your hand during your baby steps. But what does LegalZoom offer in terms of customer service? Despite offering competitive prices, features, and convenience, the quality of customer service and support can ultimately determine the success of any brand. LegalZoom has a customer service team available via phone, email, and live chat. They also offer a comprehensive help center with articles and FAQs to assist customers with common questions and issues. LegalZoom's customer service team is generally considered to be responsive and helpful. They're available during business hours and can assist with questions related to their services, orders, or account information. Customers can also track the progress of their orders through their online account or by contacting customer service. LegalZoom is committed to providing good customer service and support to its customers. LegalZoom's customer service is available to help you Monday through Friday from 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. EST. However, like any company, there may be occasional issues or delays that customers should be aware of. LegalZoom is a relatively large company that has big customer support departments, so we can expect some inconsistencies in this area. In terms of customer service, LegalZoom's reviews are kind of mixed. Online reviews reveal that many customers have complained about the lack of updates during the processing of their requests and difficulties in canceling and requesting refunds. On Trustpilot, LegalZoom has received an overall rating of 4.3 out of 5, with many customers praising the company's efficient service. However, similar to the complaints found on other review sites, some customers have also reported a lack of updates and slow processing times for their documents. Every case is unique, and while some may have had positive experiences with customer service, others have had negative experiences. And based on my own experience, I would just rate it as okay, but not particularly noteworthy. Hence, I would give it a 3 out of 5. There are still a few more essential things to discuss regarding your business setup. However, it may drag this video a little bit too long, so I've condensed everything into an actionable, step-by-step business startup success checklist that you can grab from here for absolutely free. The benefits of using LegalZoom outweigh the drawbacks. Let's take a closer look at the reasons why. LegalZoom offers a 60-day money-back guarantee, which is the longest in the industry, for customers who return all documents and materials within that time frame. Refunds will be processed within 5 days of the receipt, and clients also have the option to cancel their subscriptions at any time and receive a prorated refund. While LegalZoom may be a costly option for setting up an LLC, it is the most cost-effective option for those needing a comprehensive business legal plan with regular access to an attorney. The business advisory plan offered by LegalZoom includes phone consultations, document review, tax advice, annual business evaluations, and 1 copyright registration per month. This makes it the ideal choice for small businesses that require a comprehensive solution. LegalZoom is one of the first online legal service providers, which gives them a level of credibility and trustworthiness among potential clients. With their long tenure in the industry, ample reviews are available online on sites like Trustpilot, providing valuable insight for making informed decisions. LegalZoom offers a wide range of services that are more comprehensive than those of less established online legal service providers. They not only assist in the formation of a business, but also in its ongoing maintenance and management over time. With over 20 years of experience, they can anticipate your needs and know their way around the industry. Every company has its own set of advantages and disadvantages, and there's no such thing as a perfect company without any negative aspects in their service, even if there are minor issues. Now let's take a look at some of the drawbacks of using LegalZoom. LegalZoom is one of the more costly options in the market. With their basic plan starting at $149 plus state filing fees, it may not be worth it for those planning to start a simple small business. In contrast, InkFile's basic plan is completely free with only state filing charges to be paid. This plan already includes a year of a free registered agent service, which is an additional $299 with LegalZoom. LegalZoom's packages are offered as monthly subscriptions, which may not be the best practical choice for business owners who only require one-time assistance in registering their LLC. Even basic services such as document review are only available as part of a monthly plan. In addition to the registered agent service, LegalZoom's EIN and operating agreement come as paid add-ons, unlike providers like Zen Business, which include them as part of their free services. This can lead to a high additional cost if not managed carefully. Based on the factors evaluated and their respective benefits and drawbacks, my final rating for LegalZoom is 3 out of 5. Their legal business plan makes them a valuable option for small business owners seeking guidance in the registration process and in the operation of their business. However, this does come with a higher cost. LegalZoom is still a great option if you've got the budget and want that higher service. However, if you're looking for a better alternative service, then you can check out this next video for my #1 business formation service recommendation. Thank you so much for watching.